Welcome to Big Deal TV. It's all about business. Whether you're in big business with big deals or a smaller innovative company with big ideas, we want to know your story.
My name is Zach Sanderson and you're watching Big Deal TV. Big Deal TV is not just about the big deals in business, but it's also about the innovative companies that are doing great things. Today we're at Homestyle Bricks, where we're about to interview Mr. Peter Sands Thomas, the Managing Director of Homestyle Bricks. Keep watching this exciting edition of Big Deal TV. Mr. Thomas.
How do you do?
Thank you so much for coming on to Big Deal TV.
Good, nice to see you.
Mr. Peter Sands Thomas is the Managing Director of Homestyle Bricks, where they manufacture concrete products for building. Mr. Thomas, how did you come up with the name Homestyle Bricks?
We'll go back a few years now. We started with Homestyle Candles, and then we decided to keep the same brand and keep it in the same group. And so when we started the manufacturing bricks, we stayed with Homestyle.
Wonderful. Mr. Thomas, tell us about when Homestyle Bricks started operations. It's a big organization, a big company. When you walk into the yard, I see a lot of employees, I see a lot of things happening, I see a lot of products being produced. Tell us when Homestyle Bricks began operations.
Homestyle started in January 2011, so basically at the end of this month we've done 10 years. And I started with 4 employees, and now we employ nearly 250. So it has grown quite phenomenally over the last 10 years, and enjoyed the growth.
Any business faces challenges. Mr. Thomas, could you please tell us about some of the challenges that you faced when you first started operations?
When we started back in 2011, of course we faced challenges like every normal company does when they started. We were very lucky in those first few months that we started that all the bricks that we manufactured there day and night, which was about 80,000, were sold instantly. So that gave us cash flow to then rebound us into the next area of buying our own forklifts and trucks and things like that. So we were very, very lucky. Sometimes in business you do need luck, and we certainly started off with some.
Well, you heard it. Every company has an element of luck whenever they start business. Not everything goes bad. I'd like to know about finances. How important is it for you to manage your finances effectively? I know that when companies are starting, cash flows are not at the best. How have you managed your finances, and have you got financial systems in place to control and manage your company?
Yes, financials are very critical for every business, and we basically go through every single dollar that's in the bank account every day and decide what money we have got and what we can spend. We do not ever spend money if we don't need to. So we keep it to a bare minimum and make sure that our cash flows are strong, just in case for when there's lean periods that you have got money available. So we do on a daily basis look at all our bank accounts, know exactly what we want to buy, and we of course know what our sales are every day, so we can balance it. But financials, you need to keep on top of it.
People are extremely important for any business. Along with the financials, we've got human resources. And with human resources, these are the people that are behind the company. From the people on the shop floor that keep the place clean and the janitors, to the people in sales and marketing. And also, you have your workers in the factory that actually manufacture the bricks. Mr. Thomas, tell us about your human resources policy and whether you see human resources as a very important facet for your business. You find that you started off with a company with 4 employees, and now you have a total of 250 employees. So those are a lot of working parts in the system. Tell us about how you manage those parts, and tell us how important human resources is for your organization.
Yes, you are very correct. Employees are very important for our business, and they go hand in hand. I can't do without them, and they can't do without me. So even to this day, I still sit with the workers committee twice a month to make sure that whatever they need and require, that we can resolve the issues so that we can move forward. It is critical in our business that we work together, and that's why I haven't employed an HR person. I want to know exactly how all my employees feel and how I can look after them, and that we can grow even larger.
Making a quality product and marketing a quality product is one thing. How important is having a quality end product? And what sort of marketing do you employ? Because Homestyle Bricks, I walk through the yard and there's so many different products there. How do you manage your product quality? The product quality seems to be really, really good. And another thing, how do you manage your marketing? What do you do?
Oh, thank you. That's a very interesting question. On our marketing side, our name is built by itself. Basically, what we've done is we've manufactured quality products. But with every quality product, you have to have the right price. If you have a quality product and it's too high, no one will buy it. So we've made sure that our quality and our pricing structure is right. With that, it goes down to sales, sales, sales. You can be the best author in the world, but if you don't sell your book, you're not going to make any money. So we have looked at sales and made sure that we do have a very good product at the right price. Once we do that, it basically markets itself, but we have a website, we're on Facebook, we have sales ladies and salesmen going out into the market every single day to try and capture those clients that are ready to build. So in any business, financials is important, but you need to sell. And if you don't sell, you don't have a company. So we do concentrate hugely on our sales department. But you can only sell if you have quality at the right price, of course.
Homestyle Bricks has got over 120 different products. You know what they say, 80-20 rule? 20% of our product bring us 80% of our revenue. Mr. Peter Sands Thomas, could you tell us give us a rundown of your products, and of all the products that you have, what are your hallmark products that you could say, these are the products that are the backbone for Homestyle Bricks?
Our primary products are the 60mm interlocking and rectangular pavers for domestic use. And then a huge product of ours is the 80mm interlocking, which is used for garages and warehousing and that. So those two interlocking products and rectangular products are 40-50% of our sales. And then of course our common bricks sell hugely, and our hollow maxi bricks. So it's basically bricks and pavers that our big machines manufacture that are the requirement for the big turnover volumes for us.
Everyone talks about capacity. You've got your small homeowners that buy in the 10 and 20,000 quantities of bricks and pavers, and then you have your large scale buyers. You're talking about your architects, your builders, people in the construction industry. Can Homestyle Bricks meet the demand of these two unique customer segments?
That's one thing we pride ourselves on. We can make 23 30-ton rigs of product a day. So we do have on the ground all the time. We need to have stock, because when a client comes to pay, he wants to walk out the yard with his product. He doesn't want to have to wait 3 or 4 weeks while we cure our product so that he can build in a month's time. So we do pride ourselves. We have stock of all our products on the ground waiting to be taken by our clients. And we do pride ourselves on that. It's one of our facets that we've lived on. And we also, if we're short, we can manufacture over the weekends. So we do work hard. We start in the beginning of January, and usually we end on the 21st of December. And we work every day to make sure we have product on the ground for our clients.
Well, you heard it. Homestyle Bricks has the quality, and Homestyle Bricks has the capacity to deliver quality for you. It's what everyone is asking now is, once I bought my bricks, deliveries. Can Homestyle Bricks deliver? That's the magic question.
We can deliver today. We have 16 of our own Homestyle trucks now, from zero when we first started. And we used to hire out trucks, but we found that they didn't deliver on time. So that's why we decided to get involved with our own trucks, so that we can promise a client, if he wants his bricks by 10 o'clock in the morning, he will get them. So that's why we went into transport. It's a different division, but it is very serious for our business. If a client walks into our offices, he needs to be looked after from there to delivery. And if you fail at any one stage, it hurts the company's name. So that is why we have decided to do it all ourselves, in-house, and make sure a client gets his delivery when he wants it on time, so that he can build with his labor when he would like to.
Well, you've heard it, Homestyle Bricks can definitely deliver. Well, Mr. Peter Sands Thomas, the only thing left for Homestyle Bricks is to go into the region, Have you got any plans on taking the brand out into the region?
We have looked at the region. I think it's very important that we look outside of our boundaries. But unfortunately, with that, we've looked at Mozambique, we've looked at Rwanda, and we've looked at Ethiopia. And we have found out that we need serious money to go into this region. And it's what we do at home is far easier than doing it in someone else's country. We are not going to give up. We are going to look into those markets. Unfortunately, with COVID this year, it has put us back on a back seat because we had gone into Ethiopia in January this year. We will relook at them in 2021, but we've got to make sure that the country we pick is the right one, because we can't afford to throw money there and then find out that we are losing back home. So we need to look at our knitting, concentrate at home, and we will slowly go into the region and multiply. That is definitely going to be the way forward.
Well, this has been an exciting edition of Big Deal TV. Mr. Peter Sands Thomas, there are people out there in TV land, YouTube, TV channels all over the world. Could you tell them, or could you give us some nuggets of information, what they can take away? Maybe someone right now sitting at home and saying, I want to start a baking company. I want to start a welding company. I'd like to start a construction company. I'd like to start a company that deals in transport. Could you give people out there pieces of advice of what they can do to improve their businesses, or what they can do to start their businesses and run them successfully?
In life, I think everyone has ideas and dreams. You've got to take those ideas and turn them into dreams. Don't take no for an answer. If you believe something in your gut, then you must go for it. Because if you don't, you might kick yourself forever that you didn't start. And once you do start, just believe in yourself and work, work, work. Because if you've got the idea, it's amazing how little oak trees can come from acorns. You've just got to believe in yourself, have faith, work hard, and you'll be able to succeed. I promise.
I'm Zach Sanderson, and this was Big Deal TV. Mr. Peter Sands Thomas, thank you so much for coming on to Big Deal TV.
Thank you. Thank you for having me, and I've loved your questions, and well done. We're here to build Zimbabwe for the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Big Deal TV, it's all about business. Whether you're in big business with big deals or a smaller innovative company with big ideas, we want to know your story.